Hi everyone, my name is Jackie. Thank you so much for joining me in this quick guided meditation. The word meditation stems from a Latin term, meditatu, that means to ponder. Through the practice of meditation, we can seek to find a better answer to the everyday moments we often let pass by, and create stronger awareness on how our emotions influence our behavior. Find a space and time where you can be uninterrupted and give this time to yourself without distractions. Settle in a comfortable position, either in a chair, you can be on a bolster, you can be on a cushion, a mat, just as long as the spine is straight and supported and the body is aware. Close the eyes or keep the gaze slightly down and take this moment to arrive. Eyes soften, jaw unclenches, shoulders are in line with hips, keeping the spine nice and tall. Float the sides of the torso out of the hips, belly relaxed, shoulders melt down the back. Relax the feet, spread the toes. Bring your awareness towards the breath. Allow the body to take deliberate inhales and slow exhales. Big inhale through the nose, the back of the throat. Deep exhale out the nose, feeling the air leaving the lungs. Inhale, expand the chest, open the lungs. Exhale, soften, relaxing, melting the mind. Allow the breath to soak in with the skin. Feeling the air move in the body, open, expanding. Bringing any softness to anywhere in the body that might be holding or gripping or having any tension. Feel the lungs expanding. In meditation, it can help to have an anchor to keep the mind still. Today, we will be using the breath as our anchor. So allow the body to breathe naturally without trying to control the breath. And become aware of the experience of breathing. Allow your attention to go to the place that the sensation is the strongest for breathing. For some, it's the breath at the nostrils, the breath in the belly, the breath in the chest, the breath in the lungs, whatever it may be. Use it to help keep you here in this moment. You are always breathing, and the sensation of your breath is always there to access. The breath is always there to come back to if the mind starts to wander. Notice what is present for you at this moment. Notice any sensations in the body. Feel the contact of the ground of the chair. Feel the air in the room on your skin. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. We're not here to stop thinking. We're merely here to observe what we are thinking. Getting curious about the thoughts. Choosing a new one if we don't like the one that arrives. Just come back to your anchor. Come back to your breath. Let the breath pull you back into the simplicity of simply being here. Feel your connection to the ground of the chair. Feel grounded inside these sensations in this body. Feeling gratitude for having a body. And knowing that whatever is happening in this moment is enough. Finishing with a few last long inhales and long, slow, deliberate exhales. Letting the mind settle, letting the body relax. Before returning back to consciousness, take a moment to acknowledge the space and stillness that you've created here today. And know that this space is always here for you and is always there to access whenever your mind starts to wander. One last breath here. Start to add some movement in by pressing the thumb into each finger. Roll the wrists, wiggle the toes, wiggle the fingers. Bring the hands into Anjali Mudra towards heart center. Keep the eyes closed if they're open. And take a bow into yourself, finding gratitude for giving yourself this moment of calmness to turn inwards. Thank you so much. My name is Jackie. I post meditation videos, so I'll see you at the next meditation video, and have a divine and delightful rest of your day.